You need to hear this if you're a content creator. Why do 70% of content creators struggle with video editing? It's a common issue that many face, and it can be incredibly frustrating. Imagine spending hours trying to perfect a single video, only to feel like it's still not good enough. The process can be tedious, time-consuming, and often overwhelming. But what if I told you there's a solution that can make all of this so much easier? Because they're not using InVideo AI. This revolutionary tool simplifies the video editing process, making it accessible to everyone regardless of their skill level. InVideo AI harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to streamline your workflow, allowing you to focus on creating engaging content. Imagine having a personal assistant that understands your vision and helps bring it to life with minimal effort. That's exactly what InVideo AI offers. The interface is user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy for anyone to get started. With InVideo AI, making money on YouTube is easier than ever. The platform helps you maximize your earning potential by creating high-quality videos that attract viewers and keep them engaged. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, InVideo AI can help you elevate your content and grow your channel. Imagine the possibilities: more views, more subscribers, and ultimately more revenue. Imagine creating professional videos in minutes without needing any editing skills. With InVideo AI, this is not just a dream, it's a reality. The platform is designed to be accessible to everyone, regardless of their experience level. The intuitive interface guides you through the process, making it simple to produce high-quality content in a fraction of the time it would normally take. Seriously, it's that simple. The beauty of InVideo AI lies in its simplicity. The platform is designed to be user-friendly with an intuitive interface that makes video editing a breeze. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. Anyone can get started and create amazing videos with ease. First, choose your template from a massive library. InVideo AI offers a wide range of templates to suit any style or genre, making it easy to find the perfect fit for your content. Each template is fully customizable, allowing you to tweak and adjust it to match your vision. Then let InVideo AI do the magic, transforming your ideas into stunning videos. InVideo AI analyzes your footage and applies the perfect edits, transitions, and effects to create a polished, professional video. The process is seamless and efficient, allowing you to achieve amazing results with minimal effort. Post them on YouTube, get those views, and watch the ad revenue roll in. The ultimate goal for many content creators is to monetize their videos and generate income from their passion. With InVideo AI, this goal is within reach. The platform helps you create high-quality content that attracts viewers and keeps them engaged, leading to more views and higher ad revenue. And guess what? This very video was made using InVideo AI. Cool, right? It's a testament to the power and versatility of the platform. InVideo AI is not just a tool, it's a game changer for content creators. The fact that this video was created using the platform speaks volumes about its capabilities. You can do it too. The beauty of InVideo AI is that it's accessible to everyone. You don't need to be a professional editor or have years of experience to create stunning videos. With InVideo AI, anyone can get started and achieve amazing results. Join my link in the description for a 50% discount on ai.invideo.io. This is an exclusive offer for my viewers, and it's a great opportunity to get started with InVideo AI at a fraction of the cost. Don't miss out on this chance to elevate your content and grow your channel. Start creating, start earning. The journey to success begins with a single step, and with InVideo AI, that step is easier than ever. The platform is designed to help you create high-quality content quickly and efficiently, allowing you to focus on growing your channel and generating income. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. The world of video creation is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the curve is crucial. With InVideo AI, you have the tools you need to stay competitive and produce high-quality content that stands out. Remember, the world of video creation is evolving. Technology is advancing at a rapid pace, and staying up to date with the latest tools and techniques is essential for success. InVideo AI is at the forefront of this evolution, offering cutting-edge features and capabilities that make video editing easier and more efficient than ever before. Don't get left behind. The world of video creation is competitive, and staying ahead of the curve is crucial for success. With InVideo AI, you have the tools you need to stay competitive and produce high-quality content that stands out. Jump on the InVideo AI train today and turn your dreams into dollars. The possibilities are endless with InVideo AI. The platform is designed to help you achieve your goals and turn your passion into a profitable venture. So why wait? Jump on the InVideo AI train today and start turning your dreams into reality. Welcome to Chapter 2, Advanced Strategies for Wealth Building with InVideo AI. Now that you understand the basics of how InVideo AI can revolutionize your video creation process, let's dive deeper into advanced strategies that can help you maximize your earning potential. First, let's talk about leveraging analytics to optimize your content. InVideo AI not only simplifies the editing process, but also provides valuable insights into how your audience interacts with your videos. By analyzing viewer behavior, you can identify what types of content resonate the most and tailor your future videos accordingly. This data-driven approach ensures that you're always producing content that your audience loves, which translates to higher engagement and more revenue. Next, consider the power of collaboration. Partnering with other content creators can expand your reach and introduce your channel to new audiences. InVideo AI makes it easy to collaborate by providing a seamless editing experience, even when working with footage from multiple sources. Imagine the possibilities of co-creating content with influencers in your niche. The exposure and growth potential are immense. Another advanced strategy is to diversify your content. Don't just stick to one type of video. Experiment with different formats like tutorials, reviews, vlogs, and live streams. InVideo AI's extensive template library and customizable features make it easy to switch up your content style without sacrificing quality. Diversifying your content keeps your channel fresh and appealing to a broader audience, which can lead to increased viewership and add revenue. Additionally, take advantage of InVideo AI's social media integration. Promoting your videos across various platforms can significantly boost your visibility and drive traffic to your YouTube channel. With InVideo AI, you can easily create tailored content for different social media platforms, ensuring that your videos are optimized for maximum engagement. This multi-platform approach helps you reach a wider audience and increases your chances of going viral. Lastly, don't underestimate the importance of SEO. InVideo AI provides tools to help you optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags, making it easier for your content to be discovered by new viewers. By incorporating relevant keywords and phrases, you can improve your search rankings and attract more organic traffic to your channel. Remember, the more people who find and watch your videos, the higher your earning potential. By implementing these advanced strategies, you can take full advantage of InVideo AI's capabilities and significantly enhance your wealth-building journey. Whether you're looking to grow your channel, collaborate with other creators, diversify your content, expand your social media presence, or optimize your SEO, InVideo AI has the tools you need to succeed. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make the most of InVideo AI. The possibilities are endless, and with the right strategies, you can turn your video creation into a lucrative venture. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring these advanced strategies today and watch your earnings soar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the link in the description for your exclusive 50% discount on invideo-io. Happy creating. Welcome to Chapter 3. Real-life success stories using InVideo AI. In this chapter, we'll explore some inspiring success stories from content creators who have transformed their channels and skyrocketed their earnings using InVideo AI. First, let's meet Sarah, a travel vlogger who struggled with editing her videos while constantly on the move. With InVideo AI, Sarah was able to streamline her editing process, allowing her to focus more on capturing stunning footage from around the world. The AI-driven analytics helped her identify the most engaging parts of her videos, leading to higher viewer retention and a significant increase in subscribers. Today, Sarah's channel boasts over 500,000 subscribers, and she attributes her success to the efficiency and insights provided by InVideo AI. Next, we have Mike, a tech reviewer who wanted to diversify his content but was unsure where to start. By leveraging InVideo AI's extensive template library, Mike experimented with new video formats like unboxings, tutorials, and live Q&A sessions. The seamless editing experience allowed him to maintain high-quality production across different types of content. As a result, Mike's channel saw a 200% increase in views and a substantial boost in ad revenue. Then there's Emma and Jake, a dynamic duo running a fitness channel. They decided to collaborate with other fitness influencers to create a series of workout challenges. InVideo AI's collaborative features made it easy to integrate footage from various sources, resulting in highly engaging and polished videos. Their collaborative series went viral, earning them sponsorship deals and a massive following across multiple social media platforms. Finally, let's talk about John, a cooking enthusiast who wanted to optimize his videos for search engines. Using InVideo AI's SEO tools, John refined his video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords. This optimization led to a dramatic improvement in his search rankings, making his content more discoverable to new viewers. John's channel grew from a modest 10,000 subscribers to over 100,000 in just 6 months, and his ad revenue tripled. These real-life success stories demonstrate the transformative power of InVideo AI. Whether you're a travel vlogger, tech reviewer, fitness influencer, or cooking enthusiast, InVideo AI provides the tools and insights you need to elevate your content and achieve your financial goals. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and success stories. Remember, with InVideo AI, the sky's the limit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the link in the description for your exclusive 50% discount on ai.invideo.io. Happy creating! Welcome to Chapter 4, Tips and Tricks for Maximizing Your Earnings with InVideo AI. Now that you've seen how InVideo AI can transform your content creation journey, let's dive into some actionable tips and tricks to help you maximize your earnings. Firstly, leverage InVideo AI's analytics to understand your audience better. By identifying the types of content that resonate most with your viewers, you can tailor your videos to meet their preferences. This not only boosts viewer retention but also attracts new subscribers, increasing your overall ad revenue. Next, experiment with different video formats. InVideo AI offers a plethora of templates and editing tools that make it easy to diversify your content. Whether it's tutorials, vlogs, or live Q&A sessions, variety keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Another powerful feature is InVideo AI's SEO optimization tools. Make sure to use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your video's search engine rankings. This increases your video's visibility, attracting a wider audience and boosting your earnings. Collaborations can also be a game changer. Use InVideo AI's collaborative features to work with other content creators. Not only does this bring fresh perspectives to your channel, but it also exposes you to a new audience, leading to more subscribers and higher ad revenue. Lastly, don't forget to monetize your videos through sponsorships and affiliate marketing. InVideo AI's polished and professional editing capabilities make your content more appealing to potential sponsors. Reach out to brands that align with your niche and negotiate deals that benefit both parties. By implementing these tips and tricks, you can maximize your earnings and take your content creation to the next level with InVideo AI. Remember, the key to success is consistency and adaptability. Keep experimenting, stay engaged with your audience, and continue to refine your strategies. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the link in the description to get your exclusive 50% discount on i.invideo.io. Happy creating and happy earning. Welcome to Chapter 5. Common mistakes to avoid when using InVideo AI. As powerful and versatile as InVideo AI is, it's essential to navigate its features correctly to maximize your success. In this chapter, we'll highlight some common mistakes users make and how to avoid them. First, don't overlook the importance of planning. While InVideo AI offers a wealth of templates and editing tools, starting without a clear vision can lead to disjointed content. Take the time to storyboard your ideas before diving into the editing process. Second, avoid overloading your videos with too many effects. Although it can be tempting to use all the available features, simplicity often leads to more polished and professional content. Stick to a few well-chosen effects that enhance your message rather than distract from it. Another pitfall is neglecting the importance of SEO. As we mentioned in the previous chapter, using relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags is crucial for visibility. Failing to optimize for search engines can significantly limit your video's reach. Additionally, don't ignore audience feedback. InVideo AI's analytics can provide valuable insights into what your viewers like and dislike. Pay attention to these metrics and adjust your content accordingly. This responsiveness can significantly boost viewer engagement and retention. Lastly, avoid inconsistent posting schedules. Consistency is key to building and maintaining an audience. Use InVideo AI's scheduling features to plan and automate your video releases, ensuring you stay on track even during busy periods. By being mindful of these common mistakes, you can make the most of InVideo AI's capabilities and set yourself up for success. Remember, the goal is to create high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. Thank you for watching. If you found this chapter helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Click the link in the description to claim your exclusive 50% discount on ai.invideo.io. Stay tuned for more tips and happy creating. Welcome to Chapter 6, Future Trends in AI and Wealth Building. As we continue to explore the immense potential of InVideo AI, it's crucial to keep an eye on the future. In this chapter, we'll delve into emerging trends in artificial intelligence and how they are set to revolutionize wealth-building strategies. First, let's talk about personalized content creation. With advancements in AI, we're seeing tools that can tailor content to individual preferences and behaviors. Imagine creating videos that adapt in real time to viewer interests, enhancing engagement and conversion rates. Next, we have predictive analytics. AI is becoming increasingly adept at forecasting market trends and consumer behavior. By leveraging these insights, you can make more informed decisions, optimize your strategies, and stay ahead of the competition. Another exciting trend is the integration of AI with blockchain technology. This combination promises increased transparency and security in financial transactions, paving the way for more trust and efficiency in wealth-building ventures. Moreover, AI-driven automation is set to take center stage. From automating routine tasks to managing complex investment portfolios, AI can free up your time, allowing you to focus on strategic growth and innovation. Lastly, the rise of virtual and augmented reality, powered by AI, is creating new opportunities for immersive content experiences. These technologies can transform how you engage with your audience, offering a more interactive and memorable experience. As we look ahead, it's clear that AI will continue to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of wealth building. By staying informed and adaptable, you can harness these trends to your advantage and achieve unprecedented success. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the future of AI and wealth building. If you found this chapter insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Click the link in the description to stay updated with the latest trends and innovations in AI. Until next time, stay curious and keep creating